So there's not much lighting in here. It's going to be a little bit dark, but this is kind of standard to what we get when somebody labels it as a hoarder's home. We don't judge. Hoarders exist, you know, there's no problem there. To be honest with you, this isn't as bad as some of the houses we bought. It doesn't scare us off because when you can look past all the trash and you can look past everything, it's a good house on a good property. Structurally, it's sound, and it does need a huge rehab. It needs, you know, a roof, windows, siding, electrical, plumbing, septic. It's going to need a lot, but it's going to be a great house when it's done. And it's in a nice area, good school district. But right now, our main goal right now is just cleanup. So our first step is we have to get our demo guys in here. Typically, the first thing our demo guys would start on is they'd start taking off kitchen cabinets. They would take out everything else. Obviously, your trash. That is our biggest thing. We have to get rid of probably what will be somewhere around 8 dumpsters, which is about $4,000 just in dumpster rental. So it does get pricey. All right, so there's not a lot you can see in here because of the lighting. Power's on, but obviously we don't have lights. So there's a front door over here. We came in through the back. That does lead into a screened-in porch. That is, I'm not 100% we can get the door open, but we'll give it a try. Go down the hallway here. It's kind of a standard ranch home, 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, and it does have a full basement downstairs. I like ranch homes that have the full basement. It does make them feel a little bit bigger, gives you storage, and some of them you actually can finish the basement. I don't think that's what we'll do here, but it's a possibility.